Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, welcome again to our book معلم القراءة العربية مع قاعدة بغدادية in our channel Ustad Faisal Simplified Quran and Arabic Classes by your brother, of course, Ustad Faisal. Inshallah, today we are in page 51, the second part of page 51. Let's dive into it. طيب, so we have صا عو با صا عو با صعب صعب إن شاء الله سهل هو دي يا هو دي يا هدي هدي ع سا لو ع سا لو عسل عسل ف خو ما ف خو ما فخما فخما نو خي لا نو خي لا نخلا نخلا. Remember we said when you see this shape, just look what is the first one which comes here. Okay, this is nun. Okay, nun is the only one with one dot above, and this other shape is for the kha. Okay, nu khi la nukhila a mu qa a mu qa amuqa amuqa u ti ha عو تي ها عتها عتها فا ظو ع فا ظو ع فظع فظع صا فا رو صا فا رو صفر 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 سا با بي سا با بي سببي سببي. Remember, this is sa and this is sa. This is heavy and this is light. This is mufakhama, it's one of the letters of tafkhim, and this is the opposite of tafkhim, which is tarqiq. Okay, sababi. Bu di a بو دي أ بدأ بدأ بدأ. Okay, also here remember we said Hamza. Look at the Hamza. If Hamza is being carried by a ya, a shape like a ya, or just a ya, or alif or waw, we read the Hamza, but not the alif, waw, or ya. Okay, بدأ بدأ زو فا را زو فا را زفر 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 نا حو سا نا حو سا نحس نحس نحس. Remember this one we said this is the noon, also here it came. Okay, then this is high, it doesn't have any dot above or below it. This one has a dot above it, which is ha. So this one does not have any dot, so it's ha. Na hu sa nahusa nahusa. Ya sa u ya sa u yasa'u yasa'u yasa'u. Sa fu la sa fu la سفلا سفلا سفلا. تو لي يا تو لي يا توليا توليا توليا. طيب, let's read from the beginning till the end without stopping. Okay, صعب صعب هدي هدي. عسل عسل. فخم فخم. نخل نخل. عمق عمق. عته عته. فظع فظع. صفر صفر. سبب سبب. بدأ بدأ. زفر زفر. نحس نحس. يسع يسع. سفل سفل. تلي تلي. Inshallah, make sure you repeat the page until you feel that you're comfortable and you can read the entire page without any problem or any mistakes, okay, with the least time possible, okay. Inshallah, ma'a salama. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share with other people. If you have any question, let us know. Inshallah. Thank you for watching. Ma'a salama.